Meaning of dissemination.
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 Dissemination. Dissemination refers to the widespread distribution or spreading of information, ideas, or knowledge to a large audience. It involves the intentional and systematic sharing of information through various channels and mediums, such as social media, newsletters, conferences, or publications. The result of dissemination can be far-reaching and impactful, as it allows for widespread adoption of new concepts, innovations, or technologies, leading to increased awareness, improved understanding, and ultimately, positive change. Dissemination is particularly important in fields such as healthcare, education, and science, where the timely and effective sharing of knowledge can save lives, enhance learning, and advance research.